Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can take Clickfunnels and Clickbank and marry the two to make a lot of money online. We're starting right now. What's up guys? My name is John, and if this is the first time you come to my channel, welcome. On this channel, we teach you all about affiliate marketing and making money from home. So if that kind of thing interests you, definitely subscribe to the channel by clicking on that little blue John McNeil icon in the right-hand corner of the screen and go ahead and click the notifications so that you don't miss any of my future videos. Now guys, in this video, I'm actually going to show you step by step how you can actually take Clickfunnels, which is a software that you can generate squeeze pages and sales funnels, and Clickbank, which is an affiliate network, and you can put the two of those together to actually start generating cash online. Guys, you don't want to miss this video. We're going to go ahead and jump over to the laptop and get started. Alright guys, so we're going to jump right into this video, and like I said, we're going to be showing you a quick, simple method that you can actually take your Clickbank account and your Clickfunnels account and actually marry the two to actually make some cash. So on the screen right now, I'm at the website called cbengine.com, and what cbengine.com is a conglomerate of Clickbank products. So instead of going through the actual Clickbank marketplace to try to find the highest converting products by category, you can actually come to CB Engine and it actually does all of the products for you. So if you go to cbengine.com and you click on CB Top Gravity, it's going to pull up the top products that have the most gravity in Clickbank right now. So these are the products that you see on the screen that are selling the most in Clickbank as we speak. So you can see that the red tea detox product has a gravity score of 199. So that basically means that 200 affiliates have actually sold this product this month. So you know that it's a high converting product. It probably has a great sales page, and we're going to take a look at it right now. You can see that it has an average sale of about $18 that's going to be paid out to affiliates. Typically, I would try to find a product that's going to be somewhere in the range of $40 to $50 if possible. But we're going to go ahead and look at the red tea detox product just because it's converting so well. And I think that we can create a quick campaign around it. And I'm going to show you guys a couple strategies and tips that you can actually use to go ahead and create a quick campaign, get traffic to it, and actually make some money. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go look at the sales page really quick. So I'm going to click on the red tea detox product. I'm going to check out the actual sales page, and we're going to see what the headline is saying here. So the first thing that I look at is typically the headline. I want to make sure that the headline is going to be grabbing someone's attention, that it's a curiosity headline, and that it's going to want to make me actually watch the video. And in this headline, it basically says, to the women constantly giving into their hunger pains, discover the secret West African red tea, proven to stop hunger cravings in their tracks and help you shed pounds of fat every 72 hours. So this is a great headline. Basically, it definitely arouses your suspicion. You're thinking to yourself, okay, I just drink this red tea and then I won't have hunger cravings and I can actually lose weight. And it has this cool little graphic of the person that has a belly, and then a day later, your flat stomach, and then it has this cool picture of the tea. So I would definitely see where people would come to this website and want to watch this video and, you know, maybe even purchase the product, because the idea of drinking a tea and losing weight just sounds really easy and really simple. Because when people want to lose weight, they don't want to do any of the hard work that it usually takes to lose weight, which is dieting and exercise. So if you can bring someone to a sales page and it says, you know, drink this red tea and you can lose some weight, then you're going to get a lot of people attracted to it. And obviously you're going to have a lot of buyers, as we already saw that a lot of affiliates are selling this product. It's the top product in Clickbank as we speak. So if I wanted to create a campaign around this product, the red tea detox product, we know that the headline is good. We know that the video is converting. A lot of people are selling this product. It's a great product to sell. What we need to do is we need to set up a quick campaign for this product, and we're going to do it with ClickFunnels. Now, don't be nervous when I say campaign and ClickFunnels and sales funnels, because I'm going to show you guys a simple way that you can actually create a simple campaign within your ClickFunnels and then get traffic to your website so you can actually start selling this product. So if I go over to ClickFunnels right now, basically what I would do is I would actually just grab one of their pre-populated templates that they have within ClickFunnels, which I've already done. So basically they have all sorts of 2-page sales funnels, bridge funnels that you can literally just click a button and it populates for you. And then you can actually just go in and start to edit the pages yourself. So I've actually just picked a bridge funnel, and it has a squeeze page and a bridge page, basically bridging the gap between the squeeze page and the actual product that I'm going to sell. So as you can see, from the product that we were selling, this talked about a red tea, proven way to stop cravings and to shed pounds. So instead of reinventing the wheel, I basically took the information that I found on the sales page, basically pulled information from their headline and created my own header here. So I say, discover the secret red tea proven to stop hunger pains and shed pounds in 72 hours. Finally get the results with this West African tea. I basically just pulled the information right from this page, right from the sales page. We know it's converting. Why are we reinventing the wheel? Why are we trying to, make this difficult for ourselves? We want to put a headline that's going to grab the person's attention and get them to want to enter their name and email address, or their email address, into this form here. So in my header, I literally just put discover the secret red tea proven to stop hunger pains and shed pounds within 72 hours. Basically put your email address in here, and then you're going to find out how to do that. Now, the way you actually sell ClickBank products is not just sending them directly to the ClickBank product. So as they opt into here, I'm not going to send them straight to the sales page. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be bridging the gap. And this is how you actually increase your conversion. So what I would want to do prior to actually selling this product, either I would want to go out and do a lot of research on the internet about this product, or I would just purchase the product myself. Because what you're going to want to do on the bridge page, once they opt in here, you're going to want to take them to a second page, which I would call the bridge page. And then I would take them to first a video basically giving a review of the red tea detox, how it works, how it can benefit them health-wise, any information that you can think of that's going to help the person move forward to clicking over to the sales page and actually making the sale is what you actually want to put in this actual video. So basically, you're going to catch their curiosity with this headline, and then you're going to pre-sell them in a video, basically talking about the product, talking about the health benefits, how it can actually work, does it actually work? Basically reassuring your prospects and those leads that are coming through your funnel that this isn't a joke. This red tea actually does work. It can actually help you lose weight. It can actually help you stop cravings. Here's some testimonials. Here's the data. Here's the information. You give it all in this pre-frame. So when you tell the person to actually go to the next page and they click through to the next page, then they actually are taken to the actual sales product. Now they're pre-framed for this product and they're almost ready to buy. So now they're going to actually see the professional sales video that's actually done, and then boom, they're going to add to cart and they're going to buy this thing. We're talking $17. There's probably some upsells within here. We saw the average sale was $18, and that's why this product is selling so well. So now you have your product, you have your campaign. We set it up very quickly. I literally did this in like less than 30 minutes. And now, how am I going to get traffic to my squeeze page? That's the next steps. Well, I'm going to show you two different methods to get traffic. I'm going to show you a paid way, and I'm going to show you a free way. So the paid way to get traffic to your website is I would literally just go over to Google and type in weight loss blogs. And when I did that, I actually found this first result that says best weight loss blogs of 2018. I click on this link here. and it basically pulled up a lot of blogs that have health information and people that have created blogs in the health fitness niche. So I was basically scrolling down here and I saw a blog, this blog here, The Fitness Sister. So when I clicked over to this blog, I actually saw a few different things. First of all, what you want to do is make sure that this blog is getting a lot of traffic, right? So what I did was I took this domain, I copied it, and I take it to this website called simplerweb.com. This is actually going to give me like the traffic stats for the website so that I can make sure that this is a blog that is getting a lot of traffic so that I could potentially approach this blog owner to get some advertising. So basically I would just copy that website here and I would search it. And we're going to actually see what type of traffic this website or this blog is actually getting. And as it pulls up, you can actually see here that Simpler Web is saying that it's getting a total of 93,000 visitors every single month. 93,000 visitors are coming to this website. Now, this is a targeted website. This website is about fitness. It's about health. And 93,000 people are coming to this website on average every single month. So that's a good blog that's getting a ton of traffic. So I know that this is a place that I could potentially approach this blog owner to actually get some advertising to get some people to my actual squeeze page over here. So as we look at the site again, there's a couple things that also clue me in that this is probably a good vendor to approach. Number one, she has Google Ads on her blog, so she's probably getting Google AdSense. The other thing I saw was some banners here. So like there's some banner ads. So she's definitely letting people come in and advertise on her website, as well as she's got some Google pay-per-click ads going as well. And the other thing that you want to look for is she building an email list? And you can see it right here. She's saying sign up for my 30-day meal plan and fitness cheat sheet. So she's definitely building a list. So now you have a blog in the health and fitness niche of targeted people. 93,000 people are coming to this website every single month, and they're trying to lose weight and get fit. Do you think that the red tea detox may be a solution to some of the people, some of the 93,000 people that are actually coming to this website? Probably so, right? So what you can probably do is you can contact this person. They usually have like a contact me form here at the bottom of the screen, and you can contact this person and you can ask them if they sell solo ads to their list. Say, you're an affiliate marketer, you sell different health products, and you would like to send a solo advertising to her list, basically a mailing to promote your squeeze page. So the second thing you can actually do is have a banner created. You can actually go over to Fiverr and get some sort of cool weight loss image created. And you can also contact the vendor owner and ask how much she charges to put a banner ad on her website. So usually they'll charge you like some sort of monthly fee, and you can actually get your banner put on the website, and you're going to get a piece of all of that traffic that's coming to this website. So basically you would just have a banner created and you would link them back to your actual squeeze page. Those folks would come to your squeeze page here. They would then go through to your bridge page, which you're bridging that gap, and then they would go over to the sales page, and a portion of those people would actually buy. So that's two paid different ways that you can use to find targeted people that are going to be interested in that particular product. You're actually going out into the marketplace and finding blogs and websites that already have a ton of traffic, of targeted traffic, people that want to get fit, people that want to lose weight. And you're going to get in front of those people with your advertising, and you're going to push them through the squeeze page. And not only are you bridging the gap with the bridge page and increasing your sales, but you're also building your list so that you're going to be able to continue to market to those individuals additional health and fitness products down the line, because you already know that they're interested in these types of products. So now I want to give you a free way of generating traffic to your squeeze page, and that's using the almighty YouTube. YouTube. So that's right, guys. You can actually create a YouTube channel around the health and fitness niche, and you can start targeting keywords and keyword phrases that people would be searching for in YouTube and in Google, and you can start creating content, and then people are going to find your videos, and then you can actually refer them to your squeeze page for additional information to lose weight, and then they go through that same process. So the way I would actually get started with actually trying to target some of those keywords that people may be searching for is I would actually go over to this website called answerthepublic.com. And this basically is a website that you can actually look up different keywords and keyword phrases, and it'll actually give you the different keywords that people are actually searching right now. And it'll actually give you a lot of different keyword ideas and questions that you can actually phrase a lot of your title tags and descriptions around, which is going to give you some good organic traffic, which is going to get people to your actual website. So what I've done is I've come over to Answer the Public, and I've already typed in red tea detox. And what I like to do is they give you some good questions here, and you can actually look through that. But I like to just scroll down and come down here to where it says red tea detox alphabeticals. And it basically just gives you a ton of different keywords that you can play with and start creating content around. So for instance, it has like red tea detox A, B, C, and it goes through the entire alphabet. But they have some good stuff here. It has like red tea detox coupon, red tea detox benefits, red tea detox blog, red tea detox tea bags. So these are all things that you can actually start creating content around. I mean, look at this: red tea detox diet plan, red tea detox discount, red tea detox does it work? So a ton of these keywords you can actually start targeting, guys, and it goes through the entire alphabet, and you just have like a plethora of keywords that you can actually pull from. And then you're going to take all of those keywords and you're going to go to YouTube, and you're going to start creating content and uploading those videos into YouTube. That's going to get you traffic in YouTube. It's going to get you traffic in Google. And again, it's going to lead all back to your squeeze page. You're going to build your list. They're going to go to that bridge page that they're going to see your video, pre-framing that offer, and then they're going to eventually end up to this sales page in which you can actually make some money when they actually purchase the product. So I hope all of that made sense, guys. So basically, if we recap everything that we did today, you would go over to cbengine.com and pick a high converting product. You then go over to Clickfunnels and basically just grab one of their pre-templates, and then you would basically take information from the actual sales page to create your headline. You go ahead and create a bridge video to kind of bridge that gap, to go ahead and help influence the sale of the product, and then you send them actual to the sales page. So that's basically all I have for this video today. If you guys don't have Clickfunnels, I'll actually leave a link in the description. You can actually get a 14-day trial for Clickfunnels, and it's very easy to use, especially if you're non-techie like myself. I basically just grab the templates and I just edit them. Very simple, very easy. I connect my autoresponder, and boom, I'm ready to actually start marketing these campaigns online. And lastly, if you want to know my #1 recommendation for making money with affiliate marketing and passive income, I also have my #1 recommendation to making money online. It'll be the first link in the description, so you can also check that out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the like button if you liked it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.